my name is Robrecht Knockert. I'm living in the UK. So I actually originally came here because I had quite some problems in my lower back, especially with doing my work in daytime. But at night I got progressive more problems in my arms and my hands in the way of pins and needles, numbness, and also sore shoulders. So that's why actually I started looking in, reason why it was and what could be done. And a friend of mine that had some back problems recommended actually Clinic Bel Etage here in Germany. He said that he came over here for a treatment and was very pleased with the treatment. So that's why I actually contacted the clinic directly to come over. The first contact we had was with I think she's the Joanna, the international manager, and she accommodated everything very well because it's always difficult when you live in UK. So we first had a Zoom call with Dr. Schmitz, who actually, I explained my symptoms and he thought it was very useful to probably do some imaging and see what that could explain of the symptoms. I think he was immediately in the consideration that there was some damage on the spine or that the symptoms came from there. So after the Zoom call, we organized to come over here. It's very close to the airport, so it's an hour flight from England and it's only like 10 minutes from the airport, so that was very straightforward. And I have to say, I have some experience with hospitals, but I've never had an experience like that, how accommodating the people are, knowing also you have your travel plans to get back in time and everything. And I was here only for 2 days, and the diagnosis was made. I had CT scan, I had MRI scan. So on the MRI scans and CT scans, Dr. Schmitz could see that there was disc damage, cervical disc damage between 5 and 6 and 6 and 7. So he explained what could be done, and then he described 2 options. Was basically fusion of the vertebrals or the cervicals, or he was explaining there was also another method, and it was that they implant like an artificial disc. So removing the damaged disc and putting an artificial disc in it. Because my facet joints were still fairly clean, with not a lot of arthrosis, he thought it was definitely worth considering the artificial discs. He explained also the benefit from that treatment was that you still maintain a lot of your mobility or motion in your cervical spine, while with fusion, of course, you lose that motion. So Dr. Schmitz did the surgery on the Friday morning. I arrived on a Thursday, he did the surgery on a Friday morning, and everything went well, apparently. So when I got back in the room, of course it's after a surgery and they make an incision in the front of your neck to bring the discs in. So you can imagine there is a bit of trauma in the muscle and a bit soreness. But it was a lot less than I expected. 2 hours after the operation I could walk around. Since the operation I haven't had the numbness or pins and needles in my arms or hands at night at all. It's definitely worth to investigate. And I think a lot of people from abroad, because also the experience they have in Germany, if you do your research, you will find out they have been doing it since in the 90s or something, a long time. While in a lot of other developed countries even, it's more a recent thing. And I think also the experience of the surgeon that has done it for 20 years and does it every day or on a regular base, or somebody that's still kind of in the development phase, I definitely strongly would recommend it. I would definitely want to say thank you to Dr. Schmitz and all his colleagues for all their help, and not just about my case, but also my wife had unfortunately a fall from a horse this summer and broke her second cervical. Of course, she couldn't get over here because she was in hospital in England, and wasn't the fracture wasn't stable. But Dr. Schmitz and his colleagues were more than happy to look at the images and advise or give their opinion. So I want to give a big thank you to everybody, also all the staff in the office, the nurses, the restaurant, everybody involved with the whole operation. It's fantastic.